Wildlife resources. The wildlife of India is different and varied. Different species of birds and animals from all over the world are there in India. The variety of wildlife found in India increases the natural beauty of the country. Elephants are found in Karnataka, Kerala, and Assam. It is the largest mammal of India. They are used to carry woods and other goods from one place to another in forests. The one horned rhinoceros found in India is a unique animal. They are found in the marshy areas of Assam and West Bengal. The wild ass is found in the run of Kutch and the camels in the desert areas. Both lions and tigers are found in India. Asiatic lions are found in the Gir forest of Gujarat. The tigers of West Bengal, Royal Bengal tigers, are one of the 8 species of the world. Tigers are found in Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, and in some areas of the Himalayas. Tibetan bears are found in the Himalayan regions and in the Dediapada forest of Gujarat. The leopard, hyenas, blue bull, that is nilgai, wolf, black buck, deer, etc. are found in India. The langur, gibbon, hullock, and baboon are the different species of monkeys found in India. A variety of birds are also seen in India. The duck, eagle, parrot, common myna, pigeon, myna, etc. are the various species of birds found in India. Among the most famous birds, the peacock, the national bird, is the most beautiful bird of all. Its attractiveness is due to its beautiful feathers. Cranes, who are 1.5 meters tall, and the great Indian bustard gorud, which is the heaviest bird of India, are the other attractive birds of India. The ruddy shelduck surkhab lay their eggs in the sands of the run of Kutch. The Koaladev Bird Sanctuary of Rajasthan is the world's biggest sanctuary where almost 2.5 lakh birds are found. The Nal Sarovar of Gujarat is famous for birds which migrate from all over the world. Fish of various kinds like mackerel, lobster, Bombay duck, pomfret, herring, salmon, shark, dolphin, etc. are found in the eastern and western sea coast of India. Students, elephants are found in Karnataka, Kerala, and Assam. Elephant is the biggest mammal of India and it is used for carrying woods and goods in the forest. Rhinoceros are found in Assam and West Bengal and they live in bogs. Wild ass and camels are found in Little Run of Kutch. Wild ass is the unique desert animal of India. Lions are found in Gir forest of Gujarat. It is the only region in Asia that has lions. Royal Bengal tiger and other tigers are found in Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, and in some regions of Himalayas. Royal Bengal tiger is one of the 8 species of tigers of the world. Tiger is our national animal. Tibetan bears are found in Himalayas and in Dediapada forest of Gujarat. Apart from these, wild animals like leopard, hyena, blue bull, wolf, black buck, deer, etc. are also found in India. Different species of monkeys such as langur, gibbon, hullock, and baboon are also found. Birds like duck, eagle, parrot, myna, pigeon, koel, peacock, etc. are found in large numbers. Peacock is our national bird. 1.5 meter high cranes and great Indian bustard are found in several regions. Great Indian bustard is the heaviest bird of India. The ruddy shedlock surkhab lay their eggs in the sands of the run of Kutch. Mackerel, lobster, pomfret, herring, salmon, shark, dolphin, Bombay duck, etc. are various types of fishes found on Indian shores. Students, if you like my videos, do subscribe channel Asma Madhya. Click on the bell icon for the latest videos. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.